Good morning, students. I welcome you all in English learning. Students, today we are starting Unit 10. Let's take. We'll discuss Lesson 1 and 2. It's your book work, so open your books. First question is complete the conversation by circling the correct verb. At page number 50, you are given more than one verb. What you have to do is circle the correct verb. Here are given the correct verbs in bold word. Let's start. Parveen. Hello, Sarah. Come in. It's nice to see you again. Shall I get you a cool drink? Sarah. Yes, please. I'd love one. So, here circle the word would. That is the correct verb. What shall we do? Shall we go outside? With I and we always use shall. Circle the shall here. Saira. Good idea. Then we can plan a game. Here you will circle can. Can and could. Can is the present form and could is the past form. When you are talking at present, you will use can. Parveen, what time do you have to go? Do is here the correct verb. Circle it. Saira, my grandma and grandpa might come to supper. Might shows the assumption, possibility. When you are not so sure about the possibility, you use may or might. So I must be home before 7 o'clock. Parveen, we have got lots of time. I'll show you my new bicycle. Here it ends. Now, second question is circle the correct verb to complete the sentences. You are given three options A, B, and C. First one, don't put the ice in the sun or it will dash. Freeze, boil, melt. The correct answer is C, melt. Second, you make bricks from dash and water. Earth, hills, wax. Correct option is earth. Third, all lakes and rivers have dash water in them. Salty, fresh, iced. Fresh. Number 4, when you boil water, you get dash. Options are steam, space, air. Obviously, steam. Number 5, you dash food if you put it in the fridge. Options are heat, freeze, cool. So the option is C, cool. Last one, if you want to put out a bonfire, throw some dash onto it. Wax, water, mats. The correct option is B, water. Students, open at page number 112. What you have to do is here write the sums which are available at page number 112. Then do the sums and say the answer aloud. As the first one, 129 plus 31. Calculate it. Hurry up. 129 plus 31. So it would be 160. Second, 712 plus 118. Hurry up. The correct answer would be 830. Third, 317 minus 106. Now here you will not add but subtract, okay? 317 minus 106. So the correct answer would be 211. Yes. Last one. 999 minus 463. Answer would be 536. Here it ends. The next question is write questions for these answers. Okay, students, first example is given here. You are given statements and you have to make the questions. Like the first one, I usually get up at 7 o'clock. This is the statement, and when you are going to make the question, it would be as, what time do you usually get up in the morning? That is the question. In this way, you will make the other questions. Second one, I usually have bread and jam and milk for my breakfast. So the question would be, what do you usually have for breakfast? Second, I usually go to school by bus. So what would be the question when you ask from someone? Question would be as, how do you usually go to school? Third, we usually play games in the park. Question would be, where do you usually play games? Next, on Sundays, we usually go to the seaside. Question would be alike, what do you usually do on Sundays? Last one, I usually go to bed at 9 o'clock. So the question would be, when do you usually go to your bed? Here it ends. Now the last question is, match the sentences half. First one is, I need a bigger skirt because this one is too tight. Okay, you need one more, a bigger skirt because that one is too tight. You'll match it because this one is too tight. Second, their flat wasn't big enough. You'll match the half too, so they bought a bigger one. Third, I can't wear these trousers because the legs are too long. Fourth, if your tea is too hot, put some more milk in it. Last one, if you are too hot, put the fan on. So in this way, you will match the halves. That's very interesting, students, here, because in this slides, you will learn how to make tea the British way. You are given the words in the box and you will have to put it in a correct order. So how will you make the British tea? First, light the gas, boil the water in the kettle, heat the teapot with a little hot water, then pour away the hot water. Put 2 teaspoons of tea leaves into the pot. Pour the boiling water onto the tea leaves, then wait for 5 minutes. Serve the tea. Offer milk or slice of lemon. Offer a plate of biscuits too. Don't forget to try it, okay? That's all for today, students. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope this video will be very helpful for you in understanding Unit 10 Let's Stick.